soybeans today, first day. It's going all right. I got a half load. Combine is running like a champ. Although I did have to do a little bit of work on it. The belt that runs the pump that runs the header, it came off or broke or something, and I had to fix that. That was an 8-hour job. Well, no, not quite 8 hours. I probably spent about 6 hours on it. It was a pain, but I'm about to knock out this field, and right now these are cutting about 15 bushels the acre, which for beans planted on July 4th, double crop, that's good. That's really good for this area. That seems like that's about the average. 15 to 25, maybe 30 bushels on double crop soybeans in this area, if everything goes well. So we'll keep on cutting, and got a lot of short beans. It's a little frustrating, but you know, they're cutting. See ya. Okay, I wanted to do another video this year on this cotton in front of the house. There's my farm, and across the road here, the guy that rents this out has cotton on it, obviously. Really good crop this year. One of the better crops they've had probably in 7-8 years. Really good. Really good looking cotton crop. I don't know much about it, to be honest with you, but this is a really nice crop. Some of it gets a lot taller out through here, but it is loaded. When these little small plants have this much fiber on it, you can't beat that. Just holding this, I feel 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 11 cotton seeds in this. But I'd walk all the way out here today, but I don't exactly have time. I just wanted to show this today. Out there in the middle, it gets pretty dang tall, so this should be some really dang good cotton. And you guys want to know more, you know, about growing cotton, you can check out I had a video that I put out last year about growing cotton. You can look back, take a look back, and take a look at it. All right, so here's the cotton that I just picked out of the field. I pulled up a plant, but I picked this out of the field just to kind of show people that maybe never been around it before, maybe a little bit of a closer look at it. So this is probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 different bowls, and it's extremely hard to do this with one hand, but that is one seed there. If I can get this, if I can get this off of it. Anyways, in the ginning process, all that gets removed, and from what I know, and I'm sure it's probably different at different places, but the gin gets to keep the seed in exchange for the cost of the ginning, is what I've heard. Man, yes, it's pretty hard to do it with one hand, but there's just one cotton seed, and feeling this thing, there's no doubt there's 100 seeds in this little pile here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's yeah, this will go into all kinds of, obviously, clothing products. So sorry. Yeah, I don't have much else to say about it. That's kind of what we got. Pretty cool stuff.